Okay, so today's look is super boring, but it's very comfortable for me and works for what I need to get done today. So a little bit of Hailey Bieber inspired. I'll pop the picture here. I saw the picture online. It's super minimal, super boring, but exactly what I needed today. So I got my trainers on, the leather free from Mango, socks from H&M, plain t-shirts from H&M. Very difficult to get white t-shirts without them being see-through, but this one is in. And I think it was a pack of two. So from H&M, and then the shirt is from Zara, which I love. I got it in like all the colours because it's just the best fit. And I have got black shorts on, I think again H&M maybe, and I got a tote bag because they are perfect for moving stuff from the flat to here. I was going to pop a cap on to match her kind of cool sporty look, but I washed my hair this morning and we're going out with friends tonight, so I don't really want to flatten my hair. But yeah, that is today's very boring, very minimal look. What a beautiful day, and the view is spoilt by all those. Is that blood from flies? You know the marks on you know the marks on windows. Is that the blood of when you hit flies? Is it that brutal? Those marks. I actually think it is. I think it's their innards. No, I generally think it's like their innards when you whack them fast.
I think it's like their wings are like vaporized. You know, like when.
Like that's any better. That actually is so horrible. No, it is really, really hot. What's the temperature on the car? It's 18 degrees. It's gonna get up to like 20. I'm so confused, yeah, because I generally feel like I'm so ready for autumn now. Like, I love the heat, but in a way, I'm like over it now. Like, I'm going on holiday. When I come back, I'm literally gonna be like all into autumn. But it's still like 20 degrees. It's super warm, isn't it? I actually can't wait till we can just like sit outside in the garden, like knowing that we can come home later and just open the door and sit in a garden. It's just everything, like you just don't have that in a flat. Get our tan going. You've still got a tan from holiday.
It's nearly September.
Okay, so for breakfast, I've got some sourdough toast, potato scones and avocado. And I got a coconut iced latte with 1 shot of vanilla syrup. What have you got? You've got scrambled eggs. You love tomatoes.
Yeah,
I hate tomatoes.
That's what this is.
That looks so nice. That'll fuel us for throughout. Well, I mean, what's the time? That'll fuel us breakfast and lunch, to be honest. Lovely little brunch. Hello, kitty. This is the cute kitty that's outside our old flat. Oh. Kitty. Hello, kitty. Oh, hello, darling. Oh, baby. She's so sweet. Okay, so I've got some last bits there. We're going to have a clean up as well because it's a bit dirty from the move. So sad seeing it so empty. Some bedding there and some bits and bobs. Morning everyone, I hope you're feeling good today. So it's a Sunday, but had quite a productive morning. We've had some wardrobes fitted, which is amazing. They look honestly so good, so I'll show you what they look like after this. And we've had some TVs fitted as well. But yeah, other than that, just super chilled, you know, kind of like can't be asked to put makeup on. However, I have been using, because my lips, like I just haven't got a lot of colour to my natural lips. They're quite pale, and I feel like when you have colour on your lips, I'm like always lip lining them, and I just feel like, oh, you know, over it. I went and got this Fenty lip stain, and I've got it on now. I might have put a bit too much on and left it on a bit too long, but I really like it. And I just feel like this is, you know, sent from the heavens, you know, this is like a game changer for me, because then I can just put a little bit of lip liner at the top and then it's all good. So I kind of got a little bit of, you know, something there, so just like my pale lips. It's weird, just things like that can make you feel so much better about yourself, like more confident stuff. So yeah, I've got a little bit of colour on. And I've been fake tanning my face with the Bali Body face, no, not Bali Body, Loving Tan face tan. It's just, I love it. I love Loving Tan, like my favourite tan brand for sure out there. But yeah, I will show you the wardrobes and the TVs. We are super happy with the final result, and the guy who came in to do it was an absolute gem, such a star, did it so well, so I will show you.
The whole thing. Oh, I
can... Watching your F1, of course. Thank you. Ali loves coleslaw. So you're having coleslaw, like you're having meat, you're having like tomatoes, like salads. I'm gonna have salads, carrots, dressing.
Half a cucumber if you want.
Yeah, cucumber. What do I usually put with mine? We've got some dip and crisps. Is that about it? Yeah, I'll have the cucumber out. Oh yeah, I usually use the corn nuggets, the frozen ones. Put them in the oven and then cut them up and put them with the salad. But I can't be asked doing that, so I'm just gonna make a really easy salad, I think. So we have got both the crunchy salads and the iceberg lettuce. So I'm gonna mix that. The dressings, vegan mayo from Hellmann's, always a favourite. I've never tried this one, but I'm going to. The Heinz one. Hopefully that's nice and I don't ruin my salad.
Correct.
Just about. That smells a lot like normal mayo, actually. Do you know? No, do you know what that smells like? It smells like salad cream.
This has changed direction. You just trying out different brands of mayonnaise, eh?
A mayo review. This is actually a mayo review video. Did you all know that?
No, I didn't.
You've not seen the title of the video? Yeah.
Should do one when we actually cook, babe.
No, I know. We're literally making a salad. Who's actually going to watch this?
It's just opening stuff and pouring it on a plate.
Okay, before I grate my carrot, that is Ali's. So he's got like ham and lots of dressing, and it looks all squidgy but very good.
It does look very good, doesn't it?
It does. I'll let you go and enjoy that. I'll be right behind you. Okay, I've got my carrot. She's eating her carrot over there. Her carrot housey. She actually eats whenever we eat, doesn't she?
Yeah, she does.
She like knows we're having dinner, and so she just wants to have some food at the same time as us. It's really cute. So I've got my messy salad here, and we've got some crisps and a dip. Yummy.
Yummy.
Bon appetit. And a bit of Antique Roadshow. Bargain hunt that I feel like is a bit of a stretch, but it's a hard watch, I think. Ali loves, you love bargain.
I love it all.
Little Bean has been in his ball for a couple of hours, but he's still really, really energetic. It's a bit too much this morning. Come on, Bean, you come out. He wants to stay in his ball.
He wants to stay in, run around.
Yeah, he does. He wants to stay in and run around. Pop him back down on the ground. Maybe for another 20 minutes, and then he can go back. Off you go. Off you go. I reckon he knows his way around now. He's going straight for the door. Ali was taking a piss out of me wearing this last night. As soon as I put it on, he was like, here's lots. I was like, yes. So anyway, the dining table came this morning, as you watched, and it's perfect. Why they couldn't get it right the first time, I will never know. But it's here, so no looking back. And yeah, it just feels so right. The other one was too light, too orange for the tones in the room. It needed like a smoky vibe, which is what we got, so I love it. And I've got one more chair to unwrap. This one, I don't know why it took so long to get here. I ordered it, I'm not even kidding, like months ago, and it kept getting delayed, which is just driving me insane. And I didn't really think about the chairs properly. So I've got 3 mattes and then 1 gloss white and 1 black white. No, 1 gloss black. But if you look at the chairs, it needs to go white, black, white, black, white, black. And I bought it thinking on the table would be 4. So it'd be like gloss black, gloss white, matte black, matte white. But only 3 can fit. So I didn't really think about it properly. But we're going to open this and we're going to make it work. And I just thought he wants to do it with me. So these are from Amara. I think these are called his chairs, and there are her chairs, I think, available now. The his chairs are sold out, but they're literally identical. I think the her chairs are just a little bit maybe more like elegant on the bum shape. I'm not too sure, but there's not much difference. There's always so much packaging, but that's a good thing. It's a good thing. I don't want anything damaged. So because I waited so long for this bloody gloss black chair, let's hope that it is looking divine and there's no scratches on it. No guys, you're not ready. This is stunning. This is beautiful. And yeah, the gloss ones are a lot more expensive, but the matte ones are just as nice. But I'd already had 2 black matte ones and I bought 3 more months ago. And yeah, this is the one that took the longest. How the hell am I gonna get it? How am I gonna get it out of this box? Who's me being like, give me some man? Ali! Okay. Let's get rid of this box. Literally though, how stunning! I love. And I cannot recommend these chairs enough. They look uncomfortable, but they're not. So it goes smooth inside. Your bum doesn't actually go inside the bum shape. But anyways, very, very, very happy. Very happy. I just wish I'd sorted the chair situation out a little bit better. But I got a bit carried away. Hello everyone. So I'm just waiting for Ali to come home. Literally 12-hour days. It's insane. I miss him so much when he's away at work. I'm just trying to find my phone actually. I think I've lost it. Here it is in the bedroom on the bed. So it's, yeah, 7 o'clock. We're hoping to get to Ikea before it shuts at 8. I was expecting him to have texted me by now saying he's on his way home, so I'm not sure if we're going to miss it. So yeah, I'm going to watch Ali on Find My Friends. It's really good to kind of get an idea of when he'll be home and things like that. 20 minutes. It'll be a tight stretch to then drive to Ikea and get this bed. That's him phoning. Hi, Babs.
Hello, Bobby.
Hi. So I'm just putting my camera down because, oh my God, my hand was killing me holding the tripod camera. Okay, so I'll take you to Ikea with us. It might be a bit boring though. I actually worry that these vlogs are boring and I'm like, who would actually watch us just do random shit? Hopefully some of you like these vlogs, but anyways, yeah, go and get the bed, just come home. He's gonna literally, he's mentally and physically like exhausted, just mentally because of the house, physically because of work. And yeah, I did a couple of purchases today, very homey, adulty purchases. I bought a heated rail rack for the washing, so that's exciting. The people who had a tumble dryer, the family who lived here before, but we don't really need one, like, it's just the 2 of us, you know, it's quite expensive. And I also bought, so I've got this new computer, this new MacBook, like the small one, but there's no like USB bit in it, and I'm like, so I just bought an adapter for that, so I got that. So I'll then be able to edit all these vlogs and put them together for you. But yeah, we're then gonna have a Domino's, which I'm very excited about. Honestly, when we moved here, we were like, as long as there's a good brunch place. Ali saw McDonald's, he was fine. Love the vegan McPlants as well. Honestly, probably the best vegan burger, like from these chains. The Burger King one is shite. Tastes like dump. Not that I've eaten shit, but you know what I mean? It just tasted not great. Apparently the KFC one's not bad. Honestly, the All Bar One vegan burger is probably one of my favorites. I don't like a lot of spice though, so some, you know, veggies, vegans or whatever, like they might like spice. I don't like a lot of hotness. I feel like it ruins the flavour. I remember I went to Brewdog once and tried the cauliflower vegan burger. Literally so excited about that. Fucking love cauliflower, love broccoli, stuff like that. And it came, it was so hot, I couldn't taste anything. My mouth was burning, blood, my mouth was burning. But yeah, I just don't like spice. I feel like people just shove in like veggie and vegan food, just onions and spice, and I avoid onions because I just don't want to smell. And so whenever I go out, I'm like, no onions, no garlic, even though I love garlic. If I'm with Ali, it's fine. But if I'm out with friends, I'm like, no onions, no garlic, please. People who eat meat, they use vegetables and herbs and all of that, like all these veggie vegan ingredients to flavour their food, like flavour the meat, and I'm like, where's that logic, you know? Anyways.
Like that was it. Alarm bell. Just put out an.
Are you excited for Ikea? Your favourite place?
I'm fed up with this place.
How many times have we actually been?
I can't even count.
I'd say in the hundreds. My favourite place ever.
Not the hundreds.
It does not feel like it. Oh, the lighting's really good tonight. You look great. I've got my wee H&M sneaks on. They come in plenty of different colours. I literally wear them all the time. They're very, very comfy. What sneaks have you got on? You're a white trainer.
Some old ones.
You're a white trainer guy. If they're old, they're in good nick.
They're dirty.
Oh, are they?
Oh.
Let's go get my mum and dad a bed. Such a big kid. Whoa, don't fall! Whoa!
What's it called?
It's called Malm. M-A-L-M. Oh, there we go. Thank God.
One? Standard, that's all we need.
That's actually a massive price difference from like standard to the storage. Yeah, I would say white.
This item comes in 2 packages, collect 1 and 2.
This is the part that freaks me out. It's always right at the end. Every time we get something, well yeah, every time we get something, it's never at the beginning. It's always right at the end. Oh, a lovely breeze. Ali doesn't think it's going to fit in the car, but I'm very, very hopeful, and I think it will.
I'm not optimistic.
Absolutely no problem. See, I told you.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is what I'm wearing. It's my gear.
Yeah, nice. Love it.
Guys, I'm actually howling at Ali's camera skills for that little part, showing you what I was wearing. Look at Flo Flo sitting on Ali. Loves her daddy.
Steady.
Delicious. Thanks, Dad. Kisses, thank you. Pizza has finally come. God, EastEnders on the TV. Bliss. Hi guys, I just say thank you so much for watching our very first vlog. I'm moving and there's so much more coming up. I'm literally videoing all the time, like so many random little bits and bobs we get up to. I hope you are interested. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. Lots of love.